He was cruising just a while ago. Somebody has too much energy, and it's not me. It's definitely not Daddy. Where are you going, Connor? Do you see how it is cruising? He's sliding to the right because he wants to catch the. What's that? Yeah. 10 more minutes. Seconds. 10 more seconds. He will fall. Or not. He's definitely walking a little bit. Look at him. He's standing with one hand. One hand. Where do you want to go, Minnie Boo? Whoa! Patty cake, bakers, man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Oh! Daddy got you. You're safe. Bye-bye.
You should be standing up this way, though.
Bye-bye.